Okay, so let's go ahead and add the impact effect to this phone booth. For that, first of all, in the GMO assets, let's go inside the OR effects, and then in here, then inside this bullet impacts. Okay, and if you notice this, there are, as you can see, many impact effects. Okay, let's find the best effect for this. As you can see, this is made up of some metallic material, so we can use this impact metal from this bullet impact folder. Okay, as you can see, this looks really beautiful, so we can use this metal effect. Okay, right here we have this effect, so let me delete that again. Right here we have this metal effect. Now let's open up the handgun script again, and right here after this muzzle spark, let's create a reference to our core effect. So we will say public game object. Okay, and let's name this as metal effect. Okay, and now as you know that we are damaging the phone booth, right here we have attached the object script to that phone booth, and right here we are damaging it. So now right here when we damage that booth, okay, then we will show the metal effect as well. So for showing the metal effect, what we will do is that we want to show the effect wherever we shoot. Okay, for example, if we are shooting the phone booth from this front direction, then it should show the effect right here. If we shoot up there, then it should show the effect perfectly fine right there and on the sides as well. So right here we will say instantiate, and we want to instantiate the metal effect, so we will say metal effect, and from where we want to show this effect, it will be from the hit info dot point. Okay, and this what this hit info dot point means, as you can see, we store the information about whatever we hit inside this hit info. So now we want to show this metal effect to the hit info dot point. It means that if we shoot right here, it will show the effect right here, and if we shoot right here, it will show the effect everywhere. Okay, where we try to shoot. After this, we also want to give it a rotation, and the normal thing to do here is to make the particle point out from where we shoot. Okay, so for example, if we shoot right here, okay, then we want the particles to be shown in this direction. Let me show you in visually. For example, if this is the phone booth and then we shoot in this direction, okay, and now if we shoot this area, okay, this area, then what we want the effect to be shown like this. Okay, in this direction. Okay, we don't want to show the effect in that direction, we want to show it in this direction, so that it gives that beautiful effect that yes, we are shooting in this direction. Okay, so for this we use the surface normal, and you will be thinking that what is surface normal? That is basically a three-dimensional vector that is perpendicular to its underlying surface. So as I told you, if this is our surface, okay, and then we shoot a bullet from here and we hit this point, then we will show the effect in this direction. Okay, so now let's first of all give it a rotation. For that we will say quaternion dot look rotation, and as I told you, we will be using the surface normal, so we will say hit info dot normal. That is it. So now if we save this, get back to Unity, and in the player, now go inside the handgun, it needs the metal effect now. So go inside war effects, fire, and I think it was the bullet effect, yes, and we have the metal effect right here. So just simply drag and drop that in there. After this, let's click on maximize, play the game. Now let's move towards this phone booth right here. Now if you try to shoot it, as you can see, it shows the metal effect from wherever we shoot. As you can see, it shows the effect really beautifully. And guys, we want the cursor to be locked whenever we play the game. So in the handgun, let's first of all lock the cursor. So let's create a awake function, and in here we will simply say that cursor dot lock state. This will be equals to cursor lock mode dot locked. So now whenever we play the game, the cursor will be locked. And also if you want to show this effect wherever you shoot, okay, wherever not on the phone booth, wherever in the environment, and you want to show this metal effect, then you can just move this outside from this if condition, okay. And if we save the script now and let's play the game, first of all you will notice that the cursor will be locked. As you can see, now the cursor is locked, okay. Now if we try to move to this point, let's shoot on the road. As you can see, it shows the effect. If we shoot on the walls, as you can see, it shows the effect, okay. So let's shoot. As you can see, it shows the effect wherever we shoot. Now if we try to shoot right here as well, it shows the effect right here as well. So in this way you can add the metal effect wherever you want, but I just want to show this effect, okay, whenever we shoot the phone booth. So I will leave it inside the if condition. Now I want this metal effect to be destroyed after some seconds, okay, because we don't want this effect to be instantiate again and again inside our game, okay. So for that, let's create a game object and let's name this as metal effect go. This will be equals to this, and after this we will say destroy, and we want to destroy the metal effect. So type that, and also you can type that from how many seconds you want to destroy this effect. So I will type 1f. So after 1 second, now this metal effect will simply be destroyed, and actually it is metal effect go. Okay, so make sure that you type the name of this game object, okay, not the metal effect. Now let's get back right here. Let me minimize that. Now if we play the game, okay, now the cursor is locked. Let's now try to shoot this booth, okay. As you can see, after every 1 second the effect is being destroying, as you can see, okay. So now as you can see, the effects are now destroying from here, okay. And make sure that you do the same as I did, okay. Destroy the effect or else it will make your game a lot more heavier and laggy. So now we have the metal effect, or you can say the impact effect added, and in this similar way you can add impact effect to whatever game object you want. And with this done, let's end this video right here.